Hello everyone. So you have this not so good looking spreadsheet and you want formatting to be done again. So first thing you want is to select columns where you want formatting to be cleared and press Alt E A F. It will clear all the formatting along with the conditional formatting. Likewise, if you want this to be done for the complete dataset, so just press Ctrl A to select data and press Alt E A F again, and it will clear all of the formatting along with the conditional formatting. Similarly, let's say if you want your formatting to be cleared along with the data. So I want these rows with the data cleared as well as the formatting. So I will select the rows and press Alt E A A. It will not only delete the data but also clear the formatting. Likewise, you can just press Ctrl A and Ctrl EA if you want this to be done for the complete data set. I hope you liked it. I will come back with the next video soon. Thank you.